All right, go. Go.
Is that clutch?
Huh?
That was tires, right?
Yeah, that was time. They're pretty badass marks too.
Oh,
Yeah, try it again. Go, hit the gas. You gotta stay on the gas. Show them how it's done. Show them how it's done. Those are some sick marks though. Those are some sick. You look like you're. Look at the marks. Hit it. Stop. Yo, I think it's your clutch, yo. I don't think it's you. I think it's your, yeah, that was your clutch again, yo. Yeah, you got a fucked up clutch. Yeah, you're smoking. Yo, that's his clutch, yo. It's not Dewey, yo. That's his clutch. Yeah, yo. Yo, just stay on the gas.
No, I let off to die, but
That's your clutch, bro.